You know, we could still do it.
But I can't get my hair wet. I gotta go to work.
Maybe, like, if you hold your neck up. Come on. Okay, guys. So we are here at Blizzard Beach. Me and Bruna.
Last minute water park. Yay!
We go to work at 4 and 5 today.
Which way? This way.
Also, there's no one here. Look, there's literally there's room for so many more. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, look, it's Blizzard Beach. I'm so excited.
We are here.
But we're gonna enjoy our day before we go to work. Also, I work at Frozen tonight, which makes sense because it's Blizzard Beach, so it's frozen here. So we still out here at Blizzard Beach. We're having lunch, and this is free water cup. I think this is 21. I'm losing count.
You passed 21.
Oh no, I just spilled a free water cup on me.
It's 22. I think it's 22.
I'm feeling 22. Clink.
Everything will be alright if you keep me
Next to you.
My friend is coming to visit tomorrow, and she goes, so is water at Disney like $10? And I went, free water cups? Ugh.
I love that I started a revolution.
You changed my life, Abby.
Honestly, I'm kind of shocked at the fact that not many people know about free water at Disney. Like, pro tip, go to any restaurant, ask for free water. They'll give it to you. Like,
You don't even have to say free. Just say, I just want some water.
can I just have a water cup? Like, wow.
If you want, though, you can go and say, can I get a free water cup? And we can start that.
Can I please have some free water cups?
Ring, 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 keep down, 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 in rushing, rising rivulets.
Oh, it's so cute. I love you, Clarabelle. We love the fast pass line because this is one of the longest queue lines. It takes forever. This ride takes forever to get through the queue line.
Why
Guys?
does this always happen when I'm on a ride?
It's just Haunted Mansion. We haven't even made it. Literally, there's the queue. It's right behind us. Hello? We stuck again, second time on Haunted Mansion. We're almost through. Disappointed, but not surprised. Look at her. She's so hot. Oh my God. Yes, Maurice! Guys, we got so much free water cups today. Oh, so many. I love that Disney water. Okay, so we got 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Milestone.
I love the smell and taste of Disney free water. Mm.
The lights like breaking femurs. You can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream. Can't you see me with that special little lady? Rowing in the rowboat stream.
Free water cup number 31. This one is really strong. This really tastes and smells like Disney. Yo, this is for real though. This time my best score. Wow. Okay, so 164,300. I said I'm tired of this game. They were playing Hockey Pop earlier, and it was so much more lit than this. Hopefully they'll change the name.
Are you shaking? Oh, okay.
Whole stuff out. You put your whole stuff in, you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. It's all about.
Y'all did it wrong. It's that.
I love Briar Rabbit so much. Splash Mountain is my jam. Look at his puppy little tail! What's his name? Briar Rabbit. Yes, Briar Rabbit! Yes! He's killing it! Woo! Look at that tail. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so good.
Good job.
Number 32. Along with a Nutella waffle.
32.
33. Wow, we just really got that water today.